Since 2004 till now, the search results for testosterone and testosterone treatment has nearly doubled. Now, why is that? Why do people care? In the past decade, men have become more interested in lifestyle and health. A handful of celebrities such as Arnold Schwarzenegger, Joe Rogan, and Tim Ferriss have been talking about testosterone treatment, also known as TRT. TRT is an effective way to treat physical and mental health issues such as midday fatigue, excess body fat, social anxiety, and much more. Imagine what you could do if your testosterone health was optimized. Here at Anderson Longevity Clinic, we make it our goal to help you be your greatest self. We offer plenty of labs and tests to dictate whether you need treatment or not. If you have any questions or would like to book an appointment, please give us a call at 904-874-5775. You can also inquire more info and book an appointment on our website, AndersonLongevityClinic.com. Not everyone will qualify for treatment, and results may vary.